Okay, let us see week 8, question number 2. Have a look. A square pyramid, base x mm. Here I am taking 30 mm and axis 75 mm. Okay, axis means height of the pyramid. It is standing on the floor with its base, square base. Okay, and all the base edges of the square is equally inclined to the wall BP. So that let us create the pyramid in the top view and then rotate it 45 degree. Okay, and then it is cut by a plane, vice versa. Okay, let us go and do the work in AutoCAD. I am switching off the grid for a clear plane visibility and take the pyramid option here. Pyramid, I already set units and limits. Pyramid. Okay, and ensure that you are in top view. If you in some other view, you can change the view. And I am taking pyramid, and then it will ask edge and side. It is square pyramid, so that let us move on to side option first, and then default will be 4, or you can enter 4. Enter, and then edge, because edge length is given, so that you click the next edge option, edge, and click and drag. And for straight square, switch on the ortho mode. What is the edge, square edge? 30. It is given x mm in your problem. I am here taking 30. Enter. Okay, then it is base is drawn. It is waiting for the height of the pyramid. As it is given 75 mm, let us give that input. Okay, 75. Okay, now the view is in the top, so it should be rotated, because as you know, this reference is for BP. In the top view, XY line, this is the top view. Okay, these edges are equally inclined, means now it is parallel. These two edges are parallel and these two edges are perpendicular to VP, so that it should be rotated 45 degree. Rotate, select object, enter, and catch any of the point or center, and angle is 45. It is rotated. Now all the edges equally inclined to the VP. Okay, wall. So that I am drawing reference for your reference. Let us delete this. And now in the isometric view, in the conceptual mode, you can see the pyramid is in the top view. Let us change the view into front. You can see that front view pyramid. Okay, it's standing on the floor with its base. And now the model is created, and let us take it to the layout and make a cut. Go to the view base command in the home menu, last view base command. Before that, view standard, you ensure that you are in first angle projection. For that, you click this arrow mark. The command is view standard. Shortcut is this arrow mark. Okay, you are in first angle only. Default sometime it is in third angle. You change this into first angle. Okay, and then after ensuring that, you go to view base. From model space or from inventor, two options are there. You go to from model space. Okay, it will take some time. You wait for it. Now the checkbox to pick the model. It is asked to select the object. This is the object. Click, enter, pressing the enter button. Okay, and then it is asking the layout name. You can give the new layout name, square pyramid, simply SQPR, or simply give some name. Okay, for your reference. In that given name, a layout, new layout will be created. Note down this. This is default layouts. New layout. In this new layout, you lay the front view alone. and tick mark and then enter. No need of other views. Okay, because this is going to, we are going to cut the pyramid as the question given. Cut by a section plane perpendicular to the wall means it is cut by in the front view only, so that I am laying the front view only in the layout. Perpendicular to wall and inclined 40 degree to the ground, and bisecting the axis means equally in the height 75 mm, equally it is cutting, okay, with that inclination 40. Let us draw the reference line first here, somewhere nearby. That reference line, horizontal reference line, okay, that length of the line is more than the base, okay, approximately more than the base, okay, and rotate this line into 40 degree. Rotate, select object, enter, and it will ask about which point you want to rotate. Base point. This is the center, is the base point, and angle 40 degree, okay. Now with the horizontal, this angle is 40 degree. This is only reference line. As per the reference line, we are later we will cut the object, okay. And then this is passing middle of the height. This height is, as you know, 75 mm, 37.5. How to place this? First you place this line at the apex and then move it vertically 37.5. Let us do that. Move, select object, enter, and catch the base point and drag it and click it here. It is placed, moved, okay. From there it should be moved vertically 37.5, half of the entire length. Move, select object, enter, and click anywhere, okay. No need to click at the apex, okay. Anywhere accordingly it will move. Move the cursor downward and enter the distance, how much it should be moved, okay. 37.5. It is placed. Now what is asked in your question? See that sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape. Only three things asked. Let us do one by one. To obtain the sectional top view, this view after cutting, this view is will be projected here, so that let us see from the top. So you draw one small piece of lines, horizontal lines, small piece of horizontal line, okay, and then select the view and section aligned. We are going to take the section align with the alignment of this line, from here to here aligned, so that I am taking aligned and select the end points, this point, click accordingly, okay. After last click, you enter and then drag it downward, click projection and orthogonal and enter, okay. Now after cutting the pyramid, it will be appear in the top view like this only, okay. Similar way, to get the side view, we have to draw a small piece of vertical lines. Enter, again take line here, okay. Now according to this alignment, we have to cut the solid. Select the solid and section aligned, select here, 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 click, left click, last click, enter, drag it sideways, click and projection orthogonal and enter, okay. You will get the accordingly side view, okay. After cut this side view, if you see from here, this will be your view. According to the first angle projection, this is the left side view. From here, observer from here, there is saying from here, you will get the view of this. Okay, that is the left hand side of the object. Okay, now finally true shape. What is true shape? Seeing the object after cut, seeing the object perpendicular to the cutting plane. That is the true shape. That will differ from the top view. Okay, and select the view section, this time full, only from here to here we are selecting. Okay, full, from simply here to here. You click both point and then drag it downward, click depth slice. Okay, tick mark. You perceive from this vertical perpendicular direction to the cutting plane, this cut portion will appear like this only. See the difference between the top view, sectional top view, and true shape. It will vary from the top view. Okay, and finally you go for dimensioning and all. Align dimension, the base of the square pyramid, square, it is a 30 mm square. That dimension any one of the side you give, and then height of the pyramid you go for it, place it anywhere, and then using text command you give the front view, top view texting. Okay, select the text command, click it anywhere. It is asking for the where you want to type the text, and it is asking height of the text. First in the command window you go for 5 mm text height. If you want bigger, you go for bigger values, and the angle of text only 0. From right to left, left to right, it will be 0 degree. Okay, and it is ready for typing text front view. Front view. Here this one is sectional left side view. Left side view. Then here you click accordingly. Okay, next text will be here. This is sectional top view. Okay, sectional top view, and this is finally true shape of the sectional area. True shape, simply true shape, and click it somewhere. To complete the command, click it anywhere away from the last typed text, and then escape. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you.